Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Burberry model B4216 in color code 3001/8G. It's a black, gold, white, tan, red color frame. This is the temples with the detailing. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. The other side of the temple is the same. The lenses are a gray gradient color. And this frame is Revexable. Up here we have a Burberry gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.